Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss about first C program in C language. Okay, so first C program, before starting the ABCD of C language, you need to learn how to write, compile and run the first C program. So to write the first C program, we have to open the C console and write the following code. So I'm opening this Turbo C++. So take file name, and in this I'm going to write simple example of C program. So hash include stdio.h, hash include kunio.h. Here I'll write void main, and I'll open this bracket, printf hello C language, or else I'll write hello world. So I'll write this, okay, and close. So here hash include stdio.h includes the standard input output library functions. Okay, so this is the hash include stdio.h is the header file, includes the standard input output library functions which are coming from C language. So if we include that stdio.h only, the printf statement will be supported. Okay, hash include stdio.h header file on the top, standard input output dot header file. Okay, hash include, so include means we are including that current library into our program, so that the printf and scanf will be supported using that library header file. Okay, so the printf function is defined in stdio.h. Okay, without writing this hash include stdio.h, we are not going to include this printf statement. Okay, the printf is not supported without including on the top stdio.h. And here the main function void main is the entry point of every program in C language. Void main is entry point of every program in C language. And here printf, the printf function is used to print the data on the console. See, if you compile, you got error 0 now. Okay, if you run this program, you are getting hello world. Output is hello world because I have written print hello world in the printf statement. So printf function is used to print data on the console. Okay, and also how to compile and run the C program. There are two ways to compile and run the C program, by the menu and by shortcut. So if we go by menu, click on compile menu, and in this compile sub menu to compile the C program. So you are getting the, if there are any errors, it is showing. So here errors are 0, and then click and run sub menu to run the C program. So if you run, you are getting hello world, and that is a previous output. You can clear that also. See, if you want to clear, you can write clear screen. Okay, and press Ctrl F9 from keyboard also. Okay, and press Alt F5 to see the output. So press Alt F5 If you want to exit from the output, press